Hello children. Today we will learn what stand for A to Z. Let's get started. A for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
cat,
H for
hen,
I for
ice cream,
J for
joker,
K for
kite,
L for
lion,
M for
mango,
N for
nail,
O for
owl,
P for
pencil,
Q for
queen,
R for
rose,
S for
sheep,
T for
tiger,
U for
umbrella,
V for
van,
W for
watch,
X for
x-ray,
Y for
yak,
Z for
zebra,